Yo, what's going on, man? It's your boy Jay with Shooter Touch Films, and we back with another one. Hey, we just pulled up to a guide wire site. I thought I was gonna be able to fly it to show you guys, what to do when you get to one of these, to a guide wire tower. But unfortunately, we can't fly it because it is a bird's nest on top. And how do we know? Because we have this right here. Notice, a federally protected bird nest is located at the tower facility. Absolutely no work can occur within this compound without prior approval from American Towers Environmental. Pretty much in this case, we just, we called a knock. We let them know that we want to log in and sign in just to inspect. But the only thing we can do is groundwork. We can't fly the drone because the nest is up top. Again, a federally protected bird, most likely an osprey. And once it's ospreys or eagles, we absolutely do not fly around those birds. So we're gonna call the knock. We're gonna take our civil photos and do the Matterport, and shit, we out of here. Let's go. All right, again, as I mentioned, had to call the knock and sign in. They're gonna send me an email over. It's like a bird advisory. I mean, I see a nest, but I don't see any ospreys. I just see, but hey, at this point, it is what it is. They do have the signs on here, so I'm just gonna abide by the signs, just so I don't get a fail for flying, even though I see the blackbirds, I don't hear osprey, I'm just gonna do as advised. Just do as advised. So I notified the knock. I should be receiving an email soon, so we all good. So now we're just gonna looking for more ground bars. I don't see any, just the one. So now put the info in for the Matterport and then do our scans and move on to the next site. Again, the first scan is always 3D, and the ones after, 360s. In this case, since we're not flying, we're still gonna pretty much get the tower. It's no antennas, but I just wanna make sure that I get the safety climb. So I'm gonna take photos with my personal camera and take photos of it going all the way up to the top. I may not be able to get the top anchor, but I'm gonna try my best and try to crop it when I get back to the computer. I mean, if I can't, it is what it is. It is a pretty tall tower. So if I can't, it'll be okay. I'm gonna just mark all that, or put all that in the notes that it was a bird site. I notified the knock, and I tried my best to get the top anchor shot. Then also you wanna capture a photo of the bird's nest just to have proof, basically like a CYA or cover your ass. So we're gonna do that. Again, shouldn't take long, 3 to 5 minutes. Just take photos of it going up, capture the bird's nest, and try to get the top anchor, and then we'll be out. All right, so I did capture the bird's nest, and then as you saw, we captured the safety anchor going all the way up to the top. We're gonna transfer these over to the folder, on to the next site.